What better way to celebrate Christmas and the holidays, but with the Harmony box from Akibento. So let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, lift the box a little bit because I can't see. Oh my god, I've seen some half-naked girls there.
First thing in the box
is a royal blue. Wow, weren't you just playing that game?
Oh
why is it so
God.
huge this time? Put your head down so I can see you. And smile.
We have Nico Yawaza and Hatsune Miku. And Nico, she's from the School Idol Festival. And Miku, she's from a lot of different games and TV shows and concerts. And
let's go open up the rest. I see a pop vinyl Funko Pop. What's this?
We have the Akibento exclusive.
Exclusive. Oh my god. Ooh. What is that? Are those headphones? What? They outdid themselves for December, people.
Oh my.
Little electronics. Let's see. Close up, please. Wow. Those are cool. Ooh. This is like the best box yet, I must say. Earphones.
These are all the other Love Live characters or idols.
So it's kind of like a musical theme this time. A harmony box. Harmony, get it? Harmony, singing, keeping in tune.
Next.
Pop vinyl, Funko Pop. Who is this?
It's Kirito from Sword Art Online.
Neat. Let's see him close up. It's a guy, right? Oh, cool. Kirito.
So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And also check out Akibento on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Yes. And hashtag Akibento Box or Akibento. What's the next thing in the box?
Next, we have this Hatsune Miku.
Oh, cute. It's a mini Funko Pop vinyl. I like it. Can I have that? Let me see it up close. It's so cute. Come and focus. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Have
Neat.
the monthly exclusive Akibento pin.
Yes. There it is there. Yes.
And
Harmony.
Those are Asuna and Kirito on the front, and they're both from Sword Art Online.
Okay. Last but not least.
Oh, next is
That's mine.
A mouse pad.
That's mine.
I think.
Weren't you just watching the show? You were just watching this.
Anime is called Your
Yes.
Lie in April.
This is the little boy who plays the piano and yeah. I watched some of those. It's pretty good. What's it called again?
Your Lie in April.
Yes. Cool. Damn! Look at these people. Come on, Akibento. This is insane. Look, take a selfie wearing your new Akibento shirt and post it on Instagram to Akibento. Winners will be randomly chosen. My butt.
Picture.